What's love got to do? Got to do with it. Hey, what's up, artists? What's up, musicians? What's up, record labels, radio stations, everyone? Listen up. All right, so as you know by now, this is DIYapps.ca. So that's a platform where you can build your own mobile apps, um, beautiful, high standard, like quality premium apps. All right. Anyway, so to get started, go to DIYapps.ca, and once you are here, you click on Get Started. As you can see, we have a lot of templates going on. The beauty about this, you can pick whatever you want, but today we're gonna focus on music and arts. So the beauty, how you can be able to use an app for your music, be able to release new music to your audience, to your fans. You can expand your loyal following. You can be able also to have that intimate one-on-one information, like for your tours, for community of similar interests. You can also offer memberships, right? You can be able to sell tickets through and directly through your app. So the benefits go on and on. So this is just a few benefits that we just highlighted here. So as you can see, we have 4 nicely done, beautiful templates that you can start off with. Or if you are a guru in designs, you can start from scratch. But anyways, even us, we start from the templates. That gives us a good starting point. So we're gonna pick this one. It's nice and beautiful. I like the color contrasts. Man, we are good. Oh yeah, you can be able to sell your merch too. You can add a Shopify account to your app, right? You can onboard other music artists. All right, cool. So once you are ready, click on Start. Put your app name. Select your industry. Put your names. Put your email. Put a password, and then agree to the terms and the privacy policy, and then hit the Get Started button. And once you do that, it will take you to this wonderful page. um, so it's nice and simple. So your app is on the right. You can see you have your menus, the platform menus on the right, on the left, and then you have the middle section where now we have our tutorials, information how you can get started. Quickly, I'll go through some of the other items. The Learn More button. So Learn More is up here and also down here. If you want to go back to the website, you can click on the DIY apps button. So the Learn More takes you to our knowledge base. So knowledge base is where we have information galore, where you can be able to learn more about to build an app or shortcut contact us. All right, so that's that, and then when you're developing the app, you always have people who like to see the progress of the app. So you can be able to share the preview on mobile. So mobile, just depends where you're from. So you can scan the code, gives you a link, send that link to the person, or you can be able to text them. If you have their text, just send them that. This will also help. Let's say you're sending it via email, and they'll be able to see the progress of the app. All right, so and then we have the language. So this will change the app language, not the app language, the platform language, but it won't change the app language. So let's say you speak French. I don't speak French, but I think it's a nice language. You can be able to change some of these items to French, and then be able to at least move around the app with ease if French is your that you understand more things in French. All right, so that's a quick introduction to the dashboard, and let's go to the home screen. So this is where now your magic starts to happen. As you can see, we have a nicely where you can be able to edit your app. So whatever you see on this side, let's say D DIY apps music app. Yeah, cool. I think I will leave that. That looks nice. All right. I won't need it because I think we use it for other demos too. People, you can access this live using our URL, so I don't want to mess that up. Yeah, so you can, that's how you add it. So this one's particular, they didn't use insert layout, so you can able to achieve the same thing as this one with insert layouts, but what they have done is we have used add action. So add action, you can be able to pick items from your features or any other action that you like people to perform. So the design, oh, so all these menus up here will be the same for all the features stroke plugins. So we just use the term interchangeably. So different features, either enterprise features or premium features, will have more, but these ones will be the basic ones. They definitely have design, layout, security, tagging, and patches and analytics. It might be less, it might be more. So yeah, so you can see they have a nicely done background. So if you have a graphic designer who can be able to bring the life out of your app, the functionality is still the same. It's just how you design the app. That's the biggest thing, and that's where the time takes usually takes. Or if you don't have one, you can contact us. And we have a button right here, hire a designer. All right. So on the layout side of things, as you can see, they have picked the this kind of layout here. So you can change that. You can change it to that with just a click of a button. Just click of a button. Right. This is really cool. Right. But they like this one, so I'll leave it like that. But my favorite is this one. I like this one. If I had a chance, I could use it for all my apps, but we don't want to get people bored. All right, and then the security side of things. Let's say you have different screens, and you want to lock it down. So you can lock it down where people require a log. People require a sign in to be able to sign in, but you can also lock it furthermore if people have specific user tags. So specific people can access specific screens. And then the tagging here, this is called behavioral tagging. So each screen you can be able to attach a tag, and then whoever visits that screen, they get that tag, and you can be able to use that for your marketing and things like that. Purchases, so this is for in-app purchases. Analytics, this is how many people visited the screen, and who are your top users. All right, so next we are going to app components. So my features, so these are all the features that you have access, that you have gotten to want to use in the app. So you can have as many features as you want. Some apps are only have 10, so it just depends on how complex you want the app to be. And where do you get them? You get them to a place called the marketplace. So the marketplace, this is where we have lots of enterprise, premium, and standard plugins. And depending on whichever plan you have, you get access to different plugins. But the standard plan has amazing plugins, which in other platforms there will be premium plugins, but for us it's standard. So if you have a standard plan, you can build nice apps. So once you have them from the marketplace, you put them. I didn't show you how to add it. Sorry. All right. So when you hit the plus button here, you can be able to add it to your my features. So once you go to my features, you add it here, and then from here you put it in the app. So once it's in the app, whatever features that you have on the app, those are the ones that are going to be published to Apple Store or Apple. Pretty much when you publish your app. And that helps to reduce the size of the app. You don't need to publish plugins that you don't use, right? So whatever you place in the app, pretty much that's what's gonna publish. So the reason why for the my features is just to make things streamlined instead of trying to pick everything going back to the marketplace, pick it in one by one. So you store it. This is what I'm gonna use, and you can also duplicate and have more than one item. All right, so the other piece will be the side menu. Wow, this is a nice. You see, like the contrast. It's really nice, man. Anyways, so the side menu. If your homepage just require a few buttons, everything else can go to the side menu, and this is where you set up your side menu. As you can see, you can add new features or add existing features, which is features and plugins, the same thing. I do use them interchangeably. The next piece will be the nav bar. So the nav bar, that's the bottom. That's this piece here. So where you see your music, you see your home screen, and you see your events calendar. And you can always add more if you want to add more. So if you want to add your match, you can add your match there. The other piece will be intro screens. So as you develop your app, you can do 2 or 3 minimum kind of intro screens to help prepare people on like what they're gonna find in the app, and gives them a good idea of, okay, this is an app that we can use, and they can be able to pretty much get them excited before even they get to the home screen. The design, as you can see, the app was nicely designed with the fonts and the colors and the themes and things like that. And this is where you set it up. So you can put your icon here. You can put the icon name. So this will be the name underneath the icon when someone downloads the app. You can add your loading screen, change your font and also your colors to match your branding, and also helps the app to maintain that branding for you. And then the media library. So all the images in the platform, this is where they all go. And you can be able to build, you can be able to add more images to the app. The only thing that we don't store is videos. So videos, we use third-party platforms such as YouTube and Vimeo, Rumble. So you can use those links, link them up with the platform, and on you go. For your login screen, you can build awesome login screens where you can able to add your design, and then you have your texts. You can just pretty much do a lot of things here. The login, if you require people to have a sign-in for Facebook, you can add that. If they want them to have a sign-in for X, you can have that, and they can use those too. So you can also hide whatever you don't want them to use, and they can use that, or they just use their regular emails. Customize. As you have fans from different locations, you can be able to collect information about them, where they are from and things like that, and then it helps you with your marketing, and you can know, okay, these guys live in this area, message them that you're coming, and things like that, right? So this is where you can turn it on, build those forms, not forms, build those fields that can be able to be part of your sign-in page. And then the language, this is just the button language. Privacy and terms, you can always use our default privacy and terms, or you can be able to upload yours. Commerce, so this is what you want to do in-app purchases. You can set it up here, and also if you want to do a credit system in the app. Notifications, so this is one of my favorites. I like doing notifications. So you can do new notifications. You can do groups. So remember those user tags and those behavioral tags. You can be able to send notification to those specific groups and be able to target them with the notifications. You can be able to schedule notifications to the future. Just have them all set up, and then they just trickle out as they needed. With geofence, whenever someone visits an area, you can be able to geofence that area. When they visit that area, they be able to receive a notification and letting them know what's happening, and kind of get them people excited when they're visiting. Either you're doing a book launch, you're doing a show, and things like that. And then analytics part. Analytics, it will show you for the notification that have been sent out. it will show you how many devices got the notification. It will also show you the how many people opened it and how many people clicked on an action within the platform, within the push notification. I just realized, man, I was talking too fast, so I'm trying to slow down. All right. All right. So user management. So at user management, you have anyone who has signed in on the platform. This is where you can be able to manage all the users at once. The user tags, this is where you can set them up. Admin roles, this is where you can add more people to help you admin the platform. User profile and languages, abuse reports. If let's say you have a group chat, someone kind of is reported, it comes here, gives you a report, shows you how many people and who is the person, blah blah blah. And you can be able to ban them or you can be able to suspend them. The beauty about it, if you delete them, they can be able to sign in again and create a new profile. So you either ban them or suspend them so that they can be able, they don't use the same email. Analytics, so this is the app downloads analytics as a whole, and also how many users you have in the system. Advanced, when you download an app, they require permission, so this is where you set it up. For the publishing information, step by step, this is where it is if you want to look for it. And also app marketing, app sharing, app languages and wording. All this helps you with your marketing of the app, either to the masses or Facebook or Google Ads. And also you can also use it to integrate with your apps and features. All right, so that pretty much is it. Just wanted to demo the platform for you. This gives you a good idea of what's on the platform and how you can be able to leverage it for your business and for your music industry, for your music, for your arts and things like that. You can also be able to use it for your radio station too. Overall, that's it for me. If you want to learn more or you need support, you can always email us at hello@DIYapps.ca and we'll be happy to help. You can also just, if you want to learn more, just go to the learn more section. Other than that, thank you for your time. Adios.